Well, I'm just starting to put my new Asus Rampage 4 Black Edition computer together. Just test running it, getting all of the devices in. My GTX 780 Ti. I have two of those. I'm just getting one up and running now. There's my Asus Rampage 4 Black Edition motherboard. Just testing everything first. Bench testing everything before I actually throw it in the case. Water cooled the CPU and video cards. That stuff is here. Can't see my two Samsung Pro SSD drives. I don't know if you can see them. Two of them, RAID 0, so almost 500 gigs of RAID 0. Not bad. So this is the first stage, just getting everything kind of tested and up and running. I installed Windows, but now I have to install all the drivers. So I don't know why this is taking so long. But so getting there. Here's my new mod mat. I don't know if you could see it. Kind of cool. Can't really see the motherboard, but that's okay. It's there. GTX 780 by EVGA. That's all I really ever buy. So, alright, I'll update the next one once I get the other video card in slide mode. I'm going to do that next once I get all the drivers in. Get the other video card in and up and powered and tested. And lots to do. Alright, catch you later.